Hi guys, so I wanted to do this video today on the Anastasia starter brow kit. And honestly guys, I was a little disappointed because I got this kit from Ulta. I couldn't believe that original price was like $40, and I got it when they had their daily like sale stuff. And so I got it for $19, but look at the size of this itty bitty brow tint, and it comes with these 4 things, and they're so miniature. But I guess it's okay because I've been wanting to try her products, her eyebrow products. This is the first time that I'll be trying them out, and at the end I'll tell you how I really feel about the product. So it comes with the mini brow definer, which is this one with the angle tip. It comes with the mini dip brow gel. Is this one, the one I showed you? This is really mini. And then it comes with the brow wiz and the mini clear gel to set your eyebrows. So I follow the instructions, and the first thing the instructions say is to use the mini dip brow gel. Okay, so let's do that. So I just went here, you know, you kind of just brush your eyebrows up. I didn't see that it like gave it too much color, but it gives it some, so I guess it's okay. Alright, so once you do that, then you want to define your eyebrows, and for that you're going to use the angle one. Okay, and so what I did is just follow my eyebrow line like this and down, and then you do the same for the top. Just follow the line. Okay. And this is what this one is for. So just to do follow your eyebrow, the line, and down. Okay. Next, we're gonna use the skinny brow pencil. This one is mainly to just like definition, like if you want to add like hairs here, you know, fill in like the empty spots. Okay, you can do that with this one. And then lastly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the clear brush to kind of keep everything in place. I think I made this one a little darker than this one, but it's okay because you can always go back and add more color to it. So this is all you do, and then this keeps everything, all your little hairs, in place. So I want to say that I really like this Anastasia products. I really recommend it. It gives your eyebrows that look, and it's easy to use products. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up. Hope you like it.